All right, Scott, welcome back for another drone video. This is my second flight of the day exploring the northernmost part of Nikiski, Alaska. If you watched the last video, I tell you kind of where I am. This is a little farther south than Shady Lake. It was just a turnoff by a lake, and it turns out when I looked on the map and I checked if I could fly there, that there's several lakes in that area, plus it leads right to the bluff and the ocean right at the end of Nikiski here on the Kenai Peninsula. So enjoy the flight. I'm exploring the area. I have never been here before. Both of these videos were the first time in this area with a drone or myself. So I should have done more research because there's some beautiful things to come back and see. So anyway, enjoy the flight. Thanks for stopping by.